Thank you.
The car remains a property of government of Uganda. Parliament will maintain these cars. Parliament will give you the former speakers, the drivers. Parliament will fuel these cars. But Parliament, after every 5 years, will be giving you a new car. Or in between, when a car gets a problem, you will bring back and we give you another car. You are property of government of Uganda.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.